Got it. I have returned reinvigorated with 500 grams of magakvak. Now, whilst you might not know what that is, depending on where you are, it's just pure protein. Let's get it. Let's look at this again. I'm tripping, bro. This is easy. This is easy, bro. This is easy. Ah. Okay. Let's look at this. Your game will play 5 rounds. You will write a function named playGame that calls playRound to play 5 rounds, keeps track of the scores, and declares a winner at the end. What does playGame do right now? It calls playRound, which gets the choices. Which I don't need it to do. Right? What am I supposed to put in playRound? Right, go for the console log, a string value representing the round winner, such as you lose. If whatever, you win, you lose. I got that. Increment the human score and computer score based on the round winner. I got that. Scorekeeper. Okay. Okay. Get the choice is the human selection. I think they're doing that for readability, like so that you can put it in the variables. Okay. Playround. Yeah. Okay. I got this part. Human selection, human choice. I don't have this part. Playround, human selection, computer selection. My playround looks at who wins, which I don't need anymore. I don't need that logic. That can run in the background. Right? Because I can say human wins. Okay. Right. Based on the round one. Keeps track of the scores. That's here. This is playground. Keeps track of the scores. And declares a winner at the end. Brother. Yeah. Wait. Because right now it's giving me an output every time. It's supposed to go through the whole thing. I want an output in between. I want to know where I'm at. Right, I want to know where I'm at. I feel like that's valid. To want to know where I'm at. Bro, come on. And score variables. And score variables? Score. And all of my score variables? Okay, chill. Let's just do what they're saying, dude. We're gonna take our score variables. Take our score variables. We're just gonna put them in there. Okay. Let's tidy this up. Its value is never read. It's a tough life. What do you mean it's never read? If is that not how that works? Yeah. Okay. Maybe it doesn't have to be a function. Maybe not everything has to be a function. But what is it then? How can I do that? Constant? Can I say that? I don't think so. Nah, you know what? No. I'm moving this thing around. I'm just gonna say scorekeeper. Run that function. And I'm just gonna say here. Run that function, bro. Run that function. Okay. Okay. No. Nope. Move that over there. Okay. Alright. Okay. A. Man, you know, from what I understood, you're not supposed to be nesting these guys. And now I'm out here and I'm nesting these guys. Right, I got multiple functions in one function. Y'all told me not to do that. I'm gonna do that. No points. That makes sense. that makes sense. Let's look at this again. I have a point. Let's do this. I won. Yes. Okay. Cool. I'm fine with this. Let me move store variables into play around. I don't know why I did that, man. Like, I don't know why I can't just keep it out and then just run these things from the outside. But they did also say they're supposed to be variables, right? Because these are functions. Move your play around function and score variables so that they're declared inside. Play game function. I think this is okay. Can I say that though? Can I just let this happen? Or is it better to let it run through a function? See, this is what I don't know. I don't know if it's better as a function. But I think this is okay. Play rounds by calling play round 5 times. Nah. Nah. That's what y'all were saying, bro. Nah. That's not the solution, right? Okay, the first one was just some random choice. I still don't know why I have to make that choice. I should have 2 here. And it should be making separate choices. Damn. Regardless of what I do, I choose rock? Nah. Okay. Yo. Wait, can I win this one now? Still? I chose paper. It chose scissors. I do lose that one. I chose paper. It's not working again. Now it's always outputting the same choice for me. I chose rock? No, bro, let me choose scissors. let me choose paper, bro, please. I choose rock. Man! Okay. I'd like to know. Okay, it's because of this. Right. Ask human. It takes this value And instead of repeatedly asking me, it keeps throwing the prompt, but it takes my past answer. That's because the return part makes this function this variable. If I just don't do that? What if I just don't? I choose rock. Man, I just choose rock. Aight, bro. And it doesn't even... Okay. Alright. Okay. This is based on those variables. I'm happy with that. Ask human. Ask human. Is it because of this? Is it because of that? Let's look at this again. Let's look. Yeah. Okay. Get human choice. Human score. Right. That used to be this. Okay. Yo. Alright, now I'm moving this back out. Let me move this back out. Put this here. Chill. Just chill for a second. Let's look at this. Play game. Right. Let's look at play round. I'm supposed to take these arguments. And for me, those are these ones. Human choice. And computer choice. Okay. Outside, I have the constants. Now, when I call play round, human choice is equal to human selection. And here they have human choice.